to give you guys an official good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharice if you're new here. So today we're gonna do our first ever vlog. So it's just gonna be like what I do in a day. My days are never the same, so this is not a routine. This is just a day in my life. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna show you guys what I'm doing today. It's quarantine, you know, we don't got nothing to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all what I do normally in a day. It's gonna be pretty boring. I'm just gonna let y'all know. But you guys get to see like me on like a different side, like a more personal side. And you get to see my family and stuff, so I think that's gonna be so exciting. Plus it's my first vlog, so if I mess up, you know, don't judge me because I never did this before. Still working it out, but so right now we're gonna go brush our teeth because that's the first thing we have to do when we wake up. Come, Pumpkin, let's go. We're gonna brush our teeth. Come on. Come, Pumpkin, let's go brush our teeth. Usually you're excited. Come, let's go. So somebody doesn't want to brush their teeth this morning. We gotta brush your teeth. We gotta comb your hair. We gotta give you a bath and get you all cute for the camera. Okay? You don't want to get all cute? Yes or no? All right, so we're gonna go brush our teeth and I'll be right back. Don't she look so pretty? Khalees. Hi. Cow. Hi. She's mad at me because she don't like combing her hair. But I'm gonna make it up to her. I'm gonna give her some juice. So I'm gonna be making some breakfast for Pumpkin and myself. I usually just put this in the microwave. So yeah, it says I could put it in the microwave. So I'm doing 3 pancakes. I'm gonna do it for 1 minute and 15 seconds. And then I'm just gonna fry us up some Vienna sausage. I don't really do too much for breakfast, so yeah. Do 30 seconds. I'm not liking how my hair is looking right now, so I'm about to fix it. But I'm not gonna show you guys because this will be a long ass vlog. So I'm going to fix my hair. I'm gonna transformate.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm gonna do a transformation and then I will be right back. Okay, so I am back and I'm looking real cute. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. I need to clean my mirror. Oh God. So this is the dress that I'm wearing. I don't even know where I got this dress from, but Definitely need to clean this mirror. I'm so excited. I actually bought a curly wig because I don't know, I'm tired of straight hair. I've been wearing straight hair for mad long. So I'm going to, I need to actually check my shipping date to see when my hair is coming. Let me check on that shipment. Okay. I haven't had curly hair in so long, so I'm actually really excited to get my hair. I think it's gonna come. Well, it said that it was gonna come on Monday. Okay, so it's already in New York. It says it's in Springfield Gardens, New York, so I should get it by Monday. It is Friday, so that's probably why, because I probably would have got it tomorrow if it wasn't a weekend tomorrow. So that's just my luck, but whatever. I should have ordered it earlier. And it's gonna go on and on and on for the rest of the day. This is what she's like. So I'm actually gonna go and look for my, I'm just looking for the camera. This one doesn't have a lot of reviews. I went on the Best Buy website and it is a little bit more expensive. Yeah, I wasn't liking the prices, and I wasn't liking the prices and the bundle deals that I was seeing on Amazon. So I'm on the Best Buy website and I actually placed the order already for the camera. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. And it says it's arriving on Thursday. I need to like hide my address and stuff, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. So this is the one that I bought, and I paid $653 for it. So the ones on Amazon were a lot cheaper, and it came with a bundle. But from what I was seeing,
Look at wifey working.
So from what I seen, they had bundle deals, but like the quality of the products were really, really cheap. So it didn't even make sense. People were saying to get a better quality bundle deal. So I was just like, whatever. I didn't got time for this. So I just went on the Best Buy website and then I purchased it there. So I should be getting it by Thursday. So I didn't pay a little bit more, but it's fine because I was having to do too much research and it was just annoying me. So I was just like, you know what, let me just keep it simple, buy it off freaking Best Buy because I know it's the right model and everything, and it'll be here next week. So that is that on that. So now that I got that out the way, I'm gonna go check some packages or something. I don't know. So I got my shoes. We're gonna open it up. Come, baby, let's open it. You wanna open it or no? Yeah?
I'm just jealous.
You're jealous because mine got here before you. Spray the box. Huh? We're gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes because it takes 10 minutes for it to clean off all the germs. So in 10 minutes we'll open it up and I'll show you what sneakers I got. So I told you guys I was gonna show you what sneakers I got. You gotta do like this. Pull it, pull it. There you go. This toy is so stupid. Cause she don't understand that. You like it tickle your belly? You gotta pull it up, up.
Up?
Yeah, up.
Up?
Yeah, there you go.
Down.
Yeah, good job. Up.
Up? Up?
It tickles.
Hi. Hi. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5,
1, 2,
6,
3, 4, 5,
7,
6,
8, 9, 10. Yay! Good job. Somebody's sleepy. Nap time. See you later.
A few moments later.
So she is finally sleeping. She got her little baby and she got the doggy. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Look what came in the mail. Boop, 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 boop. I think it's my hair. I don't want y'all to see my address. I already disinfected it and everything. Okay guys, so I'm so excited because I actually received my hair like I was saying earlier. So I purchased this here from Elimo Hair. This is the second time I actually purchased a wig from them. I'll post a picture of the first wig that I bought right here so you guys can see. So yeah, the first wig that I purchased was the body wave wig. So I actually purchased a water wave wig this time. So when you open up the box, the first thing you see is the stocking cap, which I'm so excited about. This is like one of the most exciting parts of the actual unboxing because I was literally just saying that I needed a wig cap because when I installed this wig, I didn't have a wig cap to put on. So super excited about that. And it comes with this little pouch that has some goodies on the inside. And the goodies are a pair of lashes and lashes, to be honest. The lashes are way too thin. You can't even see them. Yeah, so they're way too thin for me. So comes with that. It comes with this like makeup blotter and then a Limo hair accessory. So I use that whenever I'm trying to do like a promo or something. So now for the hair. It comes in this cute little packaging. So this is what the wig looks like. It's so beautiful. And it's long. Let's see how long it is on me. It's really pretty long. So I'm happy about that because I really wanted a really long curly wig. So yeah, the curls are really pretty. It's not too tight because I didn't really want too much tight curls. It comes pre-plucked, so I don't have to bleach the knots and stuff. Once I lay this baby down, she's gonna be cute. Yeah. Then it comes with the clips on the inside, and it's a 360 wig. And it's 26 inches, if I didn't mention that before. So yeah. I'm gonna do like a whole video on me tinting the lace, plucking the lace, all of that, and then installing it for y'all. Because I'm super excited. I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow or Sunday. Because I just put this wig on yesterday, and I was literally like, what should I say? I literally didn't do my hair for like 4 days because I was waiting for the wig to come in the mail. And then I was like, I'm not waiting, because it was supposed to come on Monday and it came today. So I was like, you know, I ain't trying to look like a bum for that much longer, so let me just do my hair real quick for like 3 little days. I'll be fine. And then it comes today, so whatever. But it's cool. I'm just excited that I got my wig. I'm gonna wash it and do all that customizing for y'all. So yes. All right guys, so I'm wrapping it up. We already ate. Pumpkin is being put to bed, and me and Papa are about to chill and, you know, have some us time. It is pretty late. It's about 10:15 right now, so she needs to go to bed. It's adult time now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. So yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and turn that bell on so you can see every time I post a video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.